Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Knang makanum don ke Jingsha Lait Thok haloru khau Ration bat kum juru baki pat ba kinyo ela ke jong ka hok na ketenat Food and Civil Supply kala kerpat ya barok ki pat ba ki bajuyo ya ka hok no khau Ration bakin penyeso yo Aadhar card bat ka Ration card banyo ya shibun ki jingmentoy. Habe kran bat kelak pas hai kubor Commissioner Secretary ketenat Food and Civil Supplies and Consumers Affair jong ka sarkar jela Lapintip bakatanat kala pelat pat ba ya ka food security campaign na kabenta ban pinsmus ho shiki pat ba jong ka jela halor ka hok jong ki baki day ban yo. Na kaliang menteri sarkar bapet ya ketenat Food and Civil Supply uba kuminggon umban habaya kran bat kila pathai khubor ulaong baka jingkwa jong ka sarkar India ban penyeso ya ka Aadhar card bat ka Ration card kalong ban pintikna bakan don ka jingkhut ka jingsuba bat bakanom don ka jingleh tu halor khau Ration.
So as you know quite well, the state is one of the beneficiaries, like all the other states, under the National Food Security Act, and 50.87% of rural of urban population and 77.79% of rural population of the state, as per the Socio-Economic Caste Census 2011, is covered under the NFSA, which in the past used to be called the Public Distribution System. And a lot of initiatives have been taken under NFSA for right to food to make sure that the people don't go hungry, so that there's this food security which is extended to all the people who are needy, basically who are covered under two different categories: priority households and also the AAY under the Ani Yojana. So under the NFSA 2030, our state government has rolled out several initiatives for mainly for supply of rice and to make sure that for the poor and for the disadvantaged sections in the state who are eligible as per the guidelines, which are different for urban and rural areas, they get some support of food security in the form of rice at very low cost and very subsidized rate of ₹3 per kg, and there is a scheme of PMGKAY which gives at zero cost as of now for 1 year. So that is under PMGKY. It's a special free ration scheme. Through the NFSA, let me make a point here that even during the toughest of days during the COVID, when there was a lockdown, our state could tide over the food crisis, and we were able to make sure that all the eligible households are getting rice. The pepper shop network of around 4,700 plus pepper shops did their duties commendably well and made sure that the rice could be lifted both from Food Corporation of India as well as from the fair price shops for proper issuance to the people. Today we are very happy that as part of the IEC campaign, the state is going to bring out pamphlets and audiovisual material which will take this movement forward, so that people are aware about their rights and people know what are the benefits, what is it that they need to do, particularly with regards to the Aadhar setting.
This is important day because of what food security as a concept means to the people of the state and to the nation at large. Through this food security campaign, the Department of Food and Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs Government of Meghalaya aims to inform. Awareness is a key if you are to achieve this, and the participation of the members of the press is crucial. The National Food Security Act entails many things. People need to know more about AAY and PHH ration card, who qualifies for the card. They need to know about One Nation, One Ration card, which is a scheme that enables ministries to collect their entitled food grain anywhere in the country by just seeding their Aadhar card to their ration card. The Aadhar card is becoming very important in various aspects of life. For any citizen of India, it makes things very convenient, and this is true when it comes to food security and public distribution system also. The department has also collaborated with the UN World Food Programme to ensure that we meet our objectives of ending hunger. Having said all that, I would just like to stress on the fact that everything that we do need collective effort. We all need to actively participate in this campaign everywhere in the world. Food security is one of the noblest causes, however, it is only success if everyone participates and contributes to the process. I would like to thank our friend from the media for being here. Let us work together in spreading the word so that the people who benefit from the National Food Security Act are the ones who truly deserve it. No, there is no last date for this Aadhar seeding. I think just now we have the workshop. We call all the deputy commissioners of the district. We ask them to improve this Aadhar seeding. As of now, you see, we cross around 69 something %. I think hopefully by the end of this year, maybe we can achieve 100% targeted.
This is for the BPL only or the APL also?
AA1 PHH. This is not necessary, not mandatory to all, but the government of India is pressing us to link this to do the Aadhar seeding because they want to transform the PDS system. Because through Aadhar, there is no duplicacy, there is no, that is the main thing for this Aadhar. You see, last time we happened in the social welfare department, they didn't link the Aadhar, the government of India, they cut the allocation of the material. But even in the supply department also, if the people, they didn't link because the government of India, they're trying to do the transparency. Even from our government also, we want the transparency. That's why we request all the beneficiaries to do the Aadhar seeding.
Just to add to what Sir has said, there is a system of sample checking at various levels. So this rice which is coming, it is coming through Food Corporation of India. It is rice which may have been milled in Punjab and some other state, and by rail head it comes to the point in Guwahati. From there by truck and by carriage it gets transported to all the states. So there are various levels of checking in Punjab when the milling is done, when it is packed, then when it will reach here in Guwahati, sample checks are being done, then when it is lifted by the wholesale dealers, then also it is not done, the lifting is not done just at the level of the wholesale dealers. There has to be some SI or some person who is in charge of lifting from the Food and Civil Supply Department who are also there. And finally at the level of FPS also, if due to some reason, because it has to travel from a very long distance, maybe because of rain, because of weather, some reason or the other, it may get spoiled also. FCI has told very clearly that they are willing to lift the complete amount of rice which may be spoiled due to some reason. They have given a word to Honorable Minister sir, in a meeting chamber. Yes, sir. The GM of Food Corporation is that any place, any time there is some any kind of complaint that the rice is not as per the standards of quality, it should be seized and kept like that, and it can be exchanged with Food Corporation of India, and good quality rice will be given in exchange. So now the public have become very, very aware. So if anybody is given rice which is not of certain quality, he will not take first of all. Number two, we have a vigilance and monitoring committee. So village headmen and Asha and other people, they are part of the village, FPS level, Vigilance and Monitoring Committee. So they are also able to check and raise any complaint. And then, we have said that through the various TC supply, SDO supply offices, they also have this in
Vigilance.
yes, sir. They have the teams which can go off and on. So it is being checked.
No, we try to educate our people because through Aadhar we can get the transparency. You see, last time Government of India, after getting the Aadhar, I think more than 10,000 crore, they saved money of their department because of the Aadhar. So many duplicacy like ration card and all. Because of this Aadhar, I think the Government of India is more than 10,000 crore something. This Aadhar means to get the transparency, to get everything, no. That is the aim of the department, to request the beneficiaries to do the Aadhar seeding.
Dan ambil izin nak bertai itu digunakan jejak. Kakak terpilih dari nak bertai betul. Kita pun bertai change. Dia sang kilo kau, sikit hawa panai dan miskin. Kakak setempat dari yang angki raya, angkai jana. Kami kadai nak bertai itu dibetul nak betul tak. Kai nak sang kilo kau, mahu panai itu dikami. Ini adalah ambil izin sekarang. Ya, harus kepada Amador untuk nampak berat pada tujuan Amador dia.
Lakukan kilo berkurangan. Tapi vaksinasi kira berkerasan.
Dunia ramai masa sesuatu. Ya bro, ramai kita. Kakak macam lakukan dia masa sesuatu orang kita.
Kada itu orang kita. Mesu sini ini pasal.
Apa ni? Kalau kata, ni kau punya di 45 guys.
45? Sama besar juga.
Emesnya, 45 kemud kau berjual mati menjaga buat vitamin nak terutama tadi kan. Tempat di dalam mati kedua di mana kena soda dan dulu jua menaikkan ration. Banyak mereka sedang ditambah musim kedua. Itu kilo yang kita tentang yang terhadap si kamera, kilo yang kata ide kita itu semua ini pelak-pelak kulim ni kita syakit di sini atau turun, kilo bahwa kita tan kita tunai kat kerang di tamnya kita sudah berada. Kita langsung kita naik kita.
Tapi bagi orang Rusia itu kan, ini kenal ni.
Walau tahu hal ini jadi sebuah office design dan SEO.
Kan update star. Oh, update masa itu juga.
Nah, tentang juga, jangan sebutnya mana ya kata. Kita tahu tentang apa tadi di bawah dunia. Lagi-lagi nyesel yang tak ada hal untuk nasional, penuh syuk menunggu bola oleh Thok, penuh syuk untuk Jingpynïa. Ini buat mulai diri, tapi masih kan bersama kamu.
Saya kata sebenarnya, ayo, badan, di awal kami suka berdua dengan saya ya.
Oh, saya nak buat kartu kuda. Oh, kartu sudah film apa tak yang hujan?
Ni dekat cuma.
Kamu ni ada pulsa orang Aadhar.
Thok bên dòng khảo và bên skem đầu Aadhar. Những số hiệu Aadhar và cái Ration card bên dòng ý chỉ bị đối với bộ. Bằng cách không nhận full toll free number, you wait lại riêng nhiều, là đi you wait try one more lại sau sân lại riêng nhiều nón. Khi đã dùng WhatsApp home number, cái này sau nó add lại nhiều lại nhiều. Lawan Rashpi dapat jual food, single supplies, and consumer face, juga sekali berkali.